Hi, so this is the Smart Baking Companion AI application. It is built using Streamlit and LangChain plus Odama LLM. Basically, it helps user to get step-by-step baking recipes or to know the measurements needed for baking and overall the big labels of their baking like beginner, intermediate. They can select here and also the categories they want to make and the main they can choose the AI model like DeepSeek 1.5 or 1.3. So now starting here, the app will open in the default browser, and here we can see here is a chat message where we can interact with the agent, and here are the sidebar settings and where we can select the AI model and the baking options. So further we can ask recipes about like here we can interact with it using any questions we have related to our baking, and further we can continue the conversation. So here we can see all the in detail information about the recipe is being provided here. Thank you.